For success in all the mission, it is essential to have a leaders who have the traits as I mentioned, and I would like them called creative leaders. I call them creative leaders. Creative leadership I learned from my experience in the ISRO's program, a defense research program, and I evolved what is called creative leader of a nation, how he or she should be. Leader must have a vision, number one. Leader must have passion. Passion transforms the vision into action. Leader must be able to travel into an unexplored path. Leader never travel the explored path of others. Leader must know how to manage success and failure. You can manage easily success. Failure is a very big challenge. Leader must have a courage to take decisions. Leader should have nobility in management. Every action of the leader should be transparent. Leaders should work with integrity and succeed with integrity.